Hello everyone, welcome to our Shenzhen journey. We begin in KL, chasing delicious flavors and sights. Let's dive right in. From KL, Malaysia, the MRT takes us to KL Sentral. We board the KLIA Ekspres to KL International Airport. The ride takes 28 minutes. We check in for our Cathay Pacific flight to Hong Kong. Then we hop on a bus to the satellite terminal. We head to the Travel Club Lounge for lunch. The lounge is spacious. Let's check it out. They've got hot food, salads, and desserts. Coffee, tea, and soft drinks are all available. It's so nice to unwind here before our flight. Time to board our 4-hour flight to Hong Kong. Lunch is chicken with rice, decent and filling. We land smoothly at Hong Kong International Airport. After grabbing our luggage, we catch the Airport Express to Kowloon Station. It's a 24-minute ride. A 10-minute walk brings us to West Kowloon Station. We jump on the high-speed train to Shenzhen North Station. It's just an 18-minute ride, hitting 300 kilometers per hour. We've arrived in Shenzhen. From Shenzhen North Station, it's a quick walk to the Pullman Hotel. We check in and quickly drop our luggage in the room. Then head out to Bingo Mall, nearby, for dinner. Dinner at Dashixiong, a chain restaurant. Dashixiong serves northwestern Shanxi handmade noodles. We order traditional spicy biangbiang noodles. They're spicy and chewy. The Tongwan meat sandwich bursts with flavor. Some greens balance it all out. This dinner is tasty and so satisfying. Day 2 starts with breakfast. We order McDonald's via Meituan. A robot delivers it to our hotel room. Before heading out, let's have a quick room tour. First stop, Shenzhen Art Museum. Its modern white concrete and glass design flows beautifully. 4 floors and 18 halls host diverse exhibits with pro setups. Next, the Shenzhen Library, right beside the Art Museum. A 6-story atrium glows with natural light. Three underground floors store millions of books. We walk to Longhua Rainbow Shopping Mall. Lunch at Tao Heung Restaurant. A tasty set lunch for 2. We pop into Reading Me bookstore. We walk to Hongshan 6979. Visit another Reading Me bookstore. Uniworld's A2E districts span 600,000 square meters. A 1,000-meter-long street offers unique shops and fun vibes. Dinner at Bukcon Hansik Korean grilled eel and meats. We order a fresh eel meal for 2. The live grilled eel and meat are delicious. A dedicated server grills everything. The service is excellent. The side dishes are great. They give us pickled radish and kimchi to take away. Stay tuned for our next vlog. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.